What is up, you guys? It's your girl Nene Johnson. I'm back with another vlog, a summer vlog. Today's vlog is really late because earlier I couldn't really vlog. Alright, y'all, so we made it to the pizza place and we're not gonna get it.
Wait a minute, this might be a sign.
It's too many people.
This might be a sign right here.
What's the sign?
It's a parking spot right here.
What that mean?
It means we might sit here for an hour. No,
forgetting it. We'll go get $5 pizza from Little Caesars.
yeah, forget that.
Nope. This ain't happening.
Yeah. And baby,
To Starbucks really fast and get me and my mom the mango dragon fruit so we can try it. So I got it, the mango dragon fruit in the, what was that? In the water. And
yeah, we need to.
whoa, let me get in. Thanks.
You said why, girl?
Thanks.
I told Ashley we're trying to become vegetarians.
Yep, here we
She
go.
said, turn it up. Turn it up.
Can we hear us now?
Stop being ignorant. You turn it down. Turn it up.
Y'all, my mom's freaking out, but this mango dragon fruit is so good.
Can I say some more?
It's nasty. I mean, not the drink. The drink is good. I'm talking about this stuff right here.
You want to show them? You don't want to show them?
This, ew, no, I'm not showing them that.
Let's see if this pizza is ready. Let's go see. They better be open. We made it to your Papa John's. Y'all, we about to get pizza. This vlog gonna be up late.
Wasn't that?
Oh. Oh, girl. Oh, my God. Arms.
How about you should stretch your
It's that serious.
I think the olive water.
Oh, to see? You wanna go?
Yeah, 'cause it looks
Alright, y'all, so we made it to Malibu. Well, we're almost at Malibu.
There's people with no shirts on.
Yeah, no, because it's a beach. It's a beach.
Should we go in there?
To see, yeah.
It probably does.
Probably. You can always turn around and see. But then there's a lot of parking spots up there.
It is. Should we just...
I think we should just turn.
Should we just turn or go straight?
Turn.
We can just look. Alright, y'all, we made it. And it's not windy. We made it to the beach. We made it to the beach. We made it to the beach. We made it to the beach.
Me too.
And it's not windy. This is the best day. This is sit down. Almost done with the try on haul for you guys. You guys are gonna love this. We were so creative with this video. My mother, literally, shout out to my mother. Her name is Mickey. Show Mickey some love. My mom literally is the best. She just freaking has so many great ideas for you guys. So I'm super excited. Look, my mom is telling me what to do. She's so creative, y'all. Wish I could show y'all her, but she don't want us.
I don't.
And you, there go her jeans. That's why y'all get. Go ahead. Turn on your car real quick. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna put up this vlog today, and then I'm gonna put up the other video tomorrow because it's gonna be a little too late for that video. But yeah, they have a nighttime routine, a being boozled challenge. They want to do a Minions. What's that? What you said? Minions or Minecraft?
Minecraft. We want to do
Minecraft. But yeah, this video y'all gonna see tomorrow. This huge drama turn home. My mom literally did that. She listened to the best. That looks like a nice food place.
the house.
We're just trying to get out of this Malibu traffic. At least we know it's a nice time. The time to come to the beach is like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. That's like the best time. And come on an empty stomach.
You look dumb, like with you. I got a million trillion things I'd rather do. Shoot, so stupid that I don't give a. Look, I don't give a about you or anything that you do. I don't give a.
Look how pretty that is.
That's what made me rich, that's what put me on, that's what got me here, that's what made me this. Everything that I do, it's really me. Oh man, it's really me. I just bought a crib, 3 stories, they got the trilogy, and you know I'm rolling with this. With the ozone, I got it. You look dumb.
You are really hiking. That couldn't be me. Are we still going the same way? Have a cake? Oh yeah, right there. I see.
Look, I don't give a about you or anything that you do. I don't give a about you or anything that you do. I don't give a about you or anything that you do.
11:45.
About you or anything that you do.
I left the house at.
Today was a long day. I was up at 7 o'clock. Alright, y'all, but we're on the way home. I'm not copyrighted right now. But we're on our way home. We did the try on haul, it was a really creative video. Thanks to my mother.
You're welcome.
I will give y'all her name, but then y'all will find her Instagram. She don't want that.
Sure don't.
Home, because then I'm just put it up so you guys can see summer vlog number 3. Going down the hill. But yeah, get this top. It'll be on my video tomorrow, so you guys know. And it'll be on my Instagram.
We're behind.
What happened?
I saw it happen.
Uh-oh, something's happened, y'all. What happened?
That person behind me almost smacked the car on the side of him trying to get over.
Oh, they need to be looking.
Good thing I'm
People don't know how to drive, y'all. Nowadays, people don't know how to drive.
She might have been closing off.
Yeah. Or not looking. Or it was not in their, like, the mirror thing. Yeah.
Blind spot.
Yeah, the blind spot. Alright, y'all, so we're almost home. I can't believe we haven't been to Malibu.
Different school.
But yeah, we haven't been to Malibu in like a while since Memorial Day, which is crazy. But, oh well. I need like a Sprite or something. Hey Naomi,
Hey.
you want to tell them to subscribe to your channel?
Yep. It's got to Naomi and Darnold.
Yeah.
Hey, babe, can you come outside?
These summer vlogs, I'll keep doing them. Like, not like every day. I'm not gonna post every day anymore because I got like stuff to do and stuff. But I'll post them maybe like every other day, the summer vlogs. So just tell me if you enjoy them and like them. And yeah, well, this is the end of the vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to tell your friends, your mama, your dad, your uncle, your sister, your aunt, your cousins to subscribe and like too. And I'll see you guys in the next video.